Jeff Wright from Oracle Development explains how data protection is implemented in Exadata Cloud Customer.
When you ask the question, can something happen with a computer? The answer is always yes. There's always the possibility of a software defect that exposes an opportunity for an attacker to run arbitrary code. The more useful question is, what are the controls in the system that govern how you can access data, and then show that those controls are the things that are in place. And if you believe that those controls are sufficient, then you can say, great, this computing system is fine for me to use for controlling access to the data, versus no, this isn't safe enough. When we do the Exadata Cloud Customer system, there's three major bits that we have in the system. We look at protecting the data. So the first thing is you have Oracle stuff here as the things that are shown in red inside of the infrastructure. And there's a couple of main access vectors, right? If you're on the infrastructure DOM 0, you can look at the network packets coming in and out of the virtual machine. You can look at the network packets that traverse the InfiniBand switch. And then you can look at the network packets that come into the storage server and anything that's stored on the storage server. So that the first set of controls in the system is that we run SQLnet or Oracle Native Network Encryption on the client application, so that any inspection of the packets, which is 100% possible in the architecture, only shows you encrypted data. And then once we write the data out to physical storage, or in the Exadata storage server, we encrypt that with transparent data encryption. So if you observe the network packets from a physical database server, or you look at the storage devices that are inside of that database, all that you see is encrypted data. And so the first set of controls are that we use encryption to make it so that unless you have a customer credential and you're logged into the database, you can't see the data, you only see encrypted data. So while it's true Oracle can access data in the system, it's the encryption that protects it.